right, we're moving on to Unit 2 now. Today is October 4.
Yeah, but like the numbers.
10-4. All right, start. All right.
Now we're getting closer and closer.
You okay?
January 18th.
What do you see? What do you notice? What do you wonder about?
January 26th. I'm sorry.
Yes. Sergio. Sergio.
Hey, why you recording without my permission?
She's recording me, not you.
Nah, but that's
She's recording me, not
I don't
you.
have my permission though.
She's recording me, not you.
No.
The actor.
I'm in the frame though. Nah, let me delete that.
Delete that.
Delete that.
Delete that.
Delete that.
I need it.
But that's what she said the pressure for when she got
You don't worry about Miss Castillo.
I feel everyone's doing you.
Okay. Now, today, gentlemen, DeAndre, Sergio, thank you. All right, we're moving on to Unit 2. Last week we finished up Unit 1. Unit 1 was all about translations, rotations, reflections. They were the congruency. So everything we did the last couple of weeks, it was all congruent figures. So now, don't worry about Miss Castillo, okay? I asked it to, that's why.
I feel uncomfortable.
Okay?
Yeah, me too.
Alright, so Sergio, nobody's gonna see you. Okay? Now, what we're gonna be moving on into Unit 2 is all about dilations. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about dilating figures on a circular grid, and that leads into your activator right here.
I'm the activator?
On a figure. You got one more in there, right? So your activator is just looking at it, it's a notice and a wonder. What do you see? What do you notice about this? All right, so dilations, what we're going to be getting into, a dilation is when something gets bigger or smaller. All right, we use that a lot. That building next to us, they made the blueprints, they were small. Now they're going to make it really big. All right, your eyes dilate, they get bigger, they get smaller. So we're going to be using all of that to get into what we're going to be looking at with dilations. How do we make stuff bigger? How do we make stuff smaller? That's what dilation. Same shape, same thing. That building was the same when they designed it. There's a YouTube video, blueprints that it zooms in. How do they make that little thing larger so that we can actually have school in there next year? So looking at this first thing, what do you notice? What do you wonder? Let me connect my thing here. All right, so
You talked to her yet?
when you look at this right here, what do you notice and what do you wonder? Notice and wonder. Alright, so I saw Tyrann's had some Tyrann's. What did you say? So I wonder why I see a spider web. Alright, so you look up here, it looks like a spider web. Alright? Looks like a spider web. I wonder why does it look like a spider web? I notice it looks like a spider web. Now, why does it look like a spider web? It's a circular grid. Alright? So it's made up of lots of circles. Right? Alright, so it's a circular grid made up of a lot of circles. So you can see all the different circles. Right? We have a circle, I can go ahead this right now, what is that? This thing and this thing. So you can see your circle here. Let me change the color. You can see another circle right here. Alright, so we're starting to see a lot of circles. That's what this is made up of. Right? Anybody else see anything? They notice anything? Alright, say it a little bit louder. Say it a little bit louder. You didn't say I see a lot of line segments? No? Alright, so a lot of line segments. So there's lines that are going through all these circles. And that's what we're going to be looking at today. How are those circles and how are those lines all connected? Okay? How are they all connected? Question so far? All right, let's move over to the next page.